Hello, I'm Pinky Kaur and welcome to my channel. Today I thought of making a nice power packed salad because I have all the ingredients today. I just did a live demo yesterday, so I have all the ingredients to make a nice power packed salad. So I thought let me YouTube it for the benefit of my viewers who are also on YouTube. So today I'm going to make a millet salad. I have avocado here, but this will go only after it opens up because avocado is a highly perishable and a fruit which can be most deceptive. Looks nice on the outside, looks like it is ripe, but I will use it only if it is good from the inside. So right now we will make the millet salad. If this is good, then it becomes a millet avocado salad. So let's go. So I have some cooked brown top millet. Now for salads, normally I like to use either brown top or foxtail because as you can see, you can see single grains of it doesn't become mushy like little or barnyard. So for my salads, I like to use brown top or foxtail. So today I've used brown top. I'm going to take some brown top millet. Now this millet has been soaked for 8 hours and then cooked like rice with little salt because you can't eat millet raw, and so this becomes my salad. So now there is no proportion of measurements for this. You can put as much as you want. So I've taken roughly more than a cup of cooked millets, and then I have in this I'm putting some chopped cucumber. Okay, these are some chopped carrots, some chopped green capsicum, and some red bell peppers. I'll put all because red is nice to use colors in the salad because the colors of the vegetables are antioxidants. So it's good to use your rainbow colors for all your salads. Now I'm also putting in this some pomegranate and pineapple. I have some pineapple which I have just roasted on the tawa to give it a little brown tinge. Now pineapple and pomegranate are the only two fruits we can use in our salads. No other fruits are allowed. Pomegranate being a seeded fruit has the same enzymes as the raw vegetables, and so does the pineapple. Though the pineapple is not a seeded fruit, but it has the same enzymes, and that is why it is healthier to use or rather mix pineapple and pomegranate in the salads. I think I just cut the pineapple a little more fine. No other fruits we should mix in the salads because they will ferment in the stomach. People like to use apples and grapes and watermelons and kiwi. We should refrain from using them. Okay, so this is how simple it is. So this is our power packed salad with the nutrients coming from the millets, the antioxidant coming from the vegetables. We'll also add some lime to this. I think half a lime should be good. We'll add some greens, so we are adding some coriander leaves, some pepper, I don't add salt because I don't like to salt my salads. It's good not to eat. Anyway, we eat salt in our cooked vegetables. It is good to keep our salads salt free, so they are more healthier. It's always good to be low on salt. Okay, so this is our salad which is ready now. And now to cut this, let me put this on the side where I don't need this in the vision in the camera. Now we have to cut this avocado. Now this is something which we have to say a small prayer before we cut it because avocados, they may be good from the outside but they may not be good from the inside. but I hope this is good. And voila, it's nice, except for this little patch here which I can cut off. So I can cut this patch off, which is not good, but I can use the rest because it is ripe, so it's very nice to use it. Just scoop this out. It's really nice, ripened very well. So the avocado will give the millet salad an amazing taste. So we can just softly cut it into stripes here only. Wow, isn't it lovely? So to this I will add some more lime. And I will mix this well. So we have a millet avocado salad ready. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing, because avocado is such a nice fruit, excellent fat, and is very very tasty, provided it ripes well. So you have to be very very careful when you buy the avocados. Always buy them raw and ripen them at home. Just leave them for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and just keep checking them every day. You know, they should be not necessary that they should go black, not necessary. They can remain green. See, this is not black, this is still green from the outside. This is an Indian one though, okay? Imported ones are up the roof, too expensive. So these are Indian ones, they're grown in India, and we should eat local and regional and seasonal, okay? So you see, this is not black, okay, but still it is ripened. So what you have to do is you have to always hold it and feel and see, is it as soft as if you're holding a mango. You know, when the mango is ripe, you know it has got that exact softness. So when the avocado gets that softness like a mango, you know it's ready. Even though it may not turn black, not all avocados turn black, okay, from the outside. Inside, no. Inside they should be like this. And this, how to store this, I'm going to squeeze lime on this and leave it in the fridge with the seed. If I remove the seed, it's going to become black. So I'll just cut off this portion which is not too good, okay. And to this portion I will just squeeze a lime and I will keep it in the refrigerator in a closed dabba with the seed in it, so that this remains fresh even till tomorrow, okay. So here we have the avocado millet salad ready. Isn't it tempting? Look at this. We have the pineapple, so isn't this tempting enough? And we have our good fat. We have the avocado, which is an excellent fat. We have the millets, which is our protein, which is our calcium, which is our even the vitamins and the minerals, which is our micro and macronutrients. We have the fruits, which is pomegranate and pineapple, and we have the vegetables, which have all the colors. We have orange carrots, we have red peppers, so we have the antioxidants. Let me taste, I can't wait. I'm searching for the avocado. Yeah, here it is. Got a big piece. It's so crunchy and nice. You know the pineapple ka sweetness, that pomegranate sweetness, and the roasting of the pineapple, so that little like a tandoori taste, and the avocado. Oh, it's lovely. It's very very nice. So if you like this simple recipe, so we made this in less than 5 minutes. You only have to cook the millets and keep it ready, and you have your cut vegetables. This becomes a one dish meal too. You can just have this as your lunch or as a dinner. So guys, if you like this recipe, please press the like button. You can also subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. I do these classes regularly where I make combinations of different things. So I'm doing a class on Sunday, which is the 20th of September, but I'm going to teach millet falafels. That is my signature recipe, where I'm going to make millet. Normally falafel is made with chickpeas. I'm not using chickpeas, I'm using millets and something else which we'll learn in the class. And I'm going to make little pancakes with the typical Zatkis dip, which is a Lebanese dip. And we are going to make some nice millet carrot payasam. And also I'm going to make a nice 2-layer rice cake with some potatoes. So it's going to be a very nice yummy class, 3 good recipes. So if you would like to enroll for the class, you can click on the link which is given in the description box, or you can even call me because my number is also mentioned in the description box below. So I'm going to sit and enjoy this salad while you can go to the description box and read the recap. Thank you so much.